Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get 1k views on your TikTok after each and every 3 minutes. But first, I'd really appreciate it if you like, comment what you need me to do next, and please subscribe. So without wasting time, let's get into it. So we're gonna go into TikTok. Please bear with me. My TikTok has a problem. It gets slow. I don't know if it's a problem with everybody else, but yeah, especially now because I'm screen recording, it just cannot process everything at the same time, but it's fast enough. So I'm gonna go into profile, and okay, this is my main account. If I perform the actions here, the change won't be visible because I have a lot of views on my videos, right? So I'm gonna go into an account that is much more, okay, a little bit empty compared to this one. So okay, it hasn't loaded yet. Right, now let me get into the profile. Okay, so as you can see, I have 974 views. So if there's a change, it's going to be visible. We'll just compare. I hope you can see the 974 views right there. So what we're going to do, we're going to go on a browser. Oh, first, sorry, you have to copy the link, right? You're going to click on the video, you open the video, and then yeah, there's like 3 dots there. You're gonna click on those, and then there's gonna be copy link. You click on that, and then yeah, you exit the app. You're gonna see that it shows you that it copied the link. If it doesn't show that, I think you should copy again. So yeah, so the website is Zephoi. I don't know how you pronounce that, so we're gonna go into that really fast. Zephoi.com, and then proceed. Okay, so we're gonna try to access this on Chrome. Let's just go on Chrome fast. Yeah, these are the mistakes people make. Just use Chrome, because there's a lot more I will make you guys aware of as we go on. Okay, you're gonna have to go through this first. Something about this field, you're not supposed to type fast. I typed really fast, and yeah, it wrote a couple of random letters. I think it just duplicated what I typed, like each letter maybe twice or 3 times. I'm sorry, my internet speed is a bit slow, or it could be the website, but yeah, it should be done anytime now. So remember, just take your time, just to avoid this mistake. Okay, so once you're done, it's going to take you to a page where you'll see, okay, you'll choose what you want, right? The followers option is going to be updated soon. It gets updated frequently. You just gotta get it at the right time. I don't know when or what is the right time, but one day you will get it. So I chose the views option because you get more views with that one. With the comments, you get about like 5 or 25, I think. I don't know. With the likes, you get 25 likes. So I'm gonna paste my links, or my link there. Now, the mistake I was telling you guys about is the TikTok glitch. So with the TikTok glitch, you see the link there? The link is incorrect, and I don't know why it does that. but it does. Your link should start with a VM, right? So I'm gonna cut the video and paste the correct link. So just that's why people are having problems. Don't use this link that has share link. It has to be vm.tiktok and like that, right? You search. Okay, sometimes it has a like I said, it has a problem. Then when people see this, they give up. So what happens is that you have to wait until the timer reaches 0. So I'm gonna just skip, and yeah. So once it reaches 0, it's ready. You can search again. Once you search, it's gonna show you these are the views that I have. Remember, so I'm gonna click on that, and then now it says my views are successfully sent. So we're gonna go and check that out just for proof, right? So normally what happens is that sometimes you get less than 1,000, but then around 900 and something, and then sometimes you get more than 1,000. So yeah, we're gonna see how many I got right now. Guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what you want me to do next. And there, now we have 1820 views, and there it is. So after each and every 3 minutes, you can do that, and you can use the views option, the comments, or the following, or the likes, any. Please like, guys, don't forget. Thank you for the love. Have a good day.